Hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of, yes, it's Tuesday, February the 16th, 2021. Yes, today, the 9th week, we go in a lockdown. This is already the 9th week. But today we have only one regular Sudoku Medium, and this will be a number 2, 3, 3, 4. Yes, 3, 4. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one I have already counted. This one has 26 printed digits. So if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars in the additional, today we have also an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe 8 extra Sudokus. This will be, if you compare, a 2 stars Sudoku. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. We see a 7 in this row, 7 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 7, all right. So now we have 2 numbers in this column. The missing numbers are the 4 and the 5, the 4 and the 5. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. All right. Let me see. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 99 11 99. And let me think. 4 4 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. All right. Yeah. This one. Let me think. 2. All right, 2. Yes, we have a pair. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this column, so no 2 and a 9 in those 2 boxes. We have also 2 and a 9 in this row, So no 2 and a 9 in that box. So the 2 and a 9 goes in these two boxes. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have 6 in one of those two boxes in this column. 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 6 could be here, could be there. All right. 8, 8, 8. All right. Need a 1. 3, 1, 3, 1, 8, 3, 8, 1, 3, so this should be 6 or 1. We have a 3 and an 8 there. All right. Two. No. Let me put some numbers because it's taking too long. All right, 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see there 9. No 9 there, so the 9 could be here, could be there. Then 4, 4. 3. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 could be here, could be there. All right. Five missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5. No 5 in those 3 boxes, so the 5 could be here, could be there. But we already have a 5 in this column, so the 5 should be here. This is not correct, so I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3, should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 6 anymore. So this box should be a 6. So 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So this should be also 4 and an 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 2 in this row, 2 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row, So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 2. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only 2 places for the 2 could be here, could be there. All right. 6, 8. 6, 8. The 4 is missing. All right. 5, 5, 5, 5. Yeah. All right. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s, we need a 5 here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. And all the 2s are not we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2. This should be a 9. Oh, I do have all the 2s, yes. And all the 2s are used. I can see this is number 3, number 2. All right. 4, 4. And now 1, 2, 3, 8. Okay, 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 could be here, could be there. How about the 6? 6, 6, 6. 2. No. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 4 could be here, could be there. Here could be also a 4. Here also. All right. 9, 9, 6. 1, 3 is missing, and 4 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here also a 4, so no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 numbers, 1 and 3. So we have 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, because we have a 4 in the first column. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Here also. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. Now. Yeah. The 9. I need a 9. 6. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 7. 3. Need a 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 there, so the 3 could be here, will be there. The other number in the middle row should be the number 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 3 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. No 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9. No 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 4. This cannot be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 4. Alright. Now I have a 4 here. So those 2 boxes I've marked with the 4. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 4. Alright. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 4. Alright. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. 1, 6 is missing and the 3 is missing here. We see here 3. Well. 6 and the 9 are missing in this column. 6 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 6 goes. And there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 3 in this row. 3 in the first row. So the row between. The only place for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8. So the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 1 in this big square. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this row. The first row should be the 6. Alright. 2 numbers left in the third column. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 number left in the second column for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this can't be 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 3. Alright, 1 number left in this column for the number 6. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between. The only place for the 6 should be there, and I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. Then 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. Finish in 80 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this medium. Not easy, but I have solved this in 18 minutes. So could be faster, but I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. See you then. Bye-bye for now.